Hello, the next phase is implement the other child agents. I was first thinking that I will implement one by one and then remain functionality, but then I was thinking since I'm using Copilot to format these instructions and descriptions, it may be better to just create everything at once, and then when I get the first working solution, then I will start deepen and practicing each of the child agents one by one. And to save time, I created these four already. So I have this knowledge sourcing agent, estimation agent. Then I have this, let's say, validation and comparison agent and a solution drafting agent. And you can find these descriptions and instructions from the blog post. Check the comments or the description of the video. I need to publish each of these agents so before I can add them to the parent agent. So I set them for publishing. And one thing is that I need to, now this is the parent agent proposal operator. I don't want to have the proposals knowledge source here anymore. So I need to change this, move this to the knowledge sourcing agent, because that's the only child agent who should access the knowledge source for existing proposals. So I will move it here. So now it's here, and I will check there's correct description. Then I go to the proposal operator and I delete knowledge source from here. And now this knowledge sourcing agent is ready to publish as well. Great. Next thing, I start to introduce these agents to the main agents. So let's start with estimation agent. I think that's already published. Yes. So here is my estimation agents. Let's add a configure. And for this description, I have a bit different, like this. And as I told you, you can find this from the blog post if you want to copy paste. Then let's add the second one. How about the knowledge source? Maybe that's not the solution drafting. That's there. I can put the description here directly. So it's a bit different. It's a bit differently told that use this agent when this and that. I was trying different kind of ways, and this is the best. And then of course in the I need to update the instructions. So which one next? Validation agent, comparison agent. And then finally we want to have the knowledge sourcing agent. Like it's published there already. No, it's not yet published. It is published, so let's, sometimes when it's not published I need to just update this. page, and once it's updated, then it can be added. So let's check. Yes, now it's there. Update the description so the main agent knows when to use it. And now we have all the sub-child agents introduced to the main agent. Then it's time to go and update these instructions. I was trying to get this main agent to go through all the agents and discussing and working without me, but it didn't work. For that, maybe I should use deterministic workflow, meaning agent flow, Power Automate flow, but I want to still go with this multi-agent orchestration approach. So it's more you need to discuss with it, but I will show you. But let's update these instructions first, and you can get these instructions as well from my blog post. Check the description of this video. So I need to introduce these agents explicitly. And then the final one. Now I can save it. So it's basically telling there that you are the proposal operator, do this and that, and then it tells in which phases you do what with each agent. Okay, let's publish this and start using this agent. Let's start a new session. So first we want to upload the file. Let's get the file. Now we have an RFP there. It's uploading the RFP. Then it should call the allow connection, call the requirements extraction agent. Yes, it goes to the correct agent. There we can see the input strings. And now it's telling us also where we are going, so show me the want to know about the matrix. Now it's calling again this requirement extraction agent. We are getting the matrix for the requirements. Oh, there's also available instruction what to do next. Okay. This looks good. So let's check what would do next. Let's add in background knowledge. some typos. Agent still understands, that's quite nice. It calls the correct child agent, as we see. Still thinking why it says no steps taken. Okay. Then it's suggesting what to do next. Okay, we see. Okay, we can say next draft the solution. Yeah, in the instructions I was formatting so that it shows us all the time where we are in the proposal flow and what are the next actions available. It's quite intuitive for the sales guy, even though he haven't been using this. It's easy to know what to do next. So now we have some kind of draft, and I think next. Okay, it already made the estimates for us. Great, that looks nice. And let's ask what steps are left. Okay, so well, of course we want to validate. Let's validate this. Yeah, now we can see it. Yeah, there are really discussion between these agents. And in the instructions I also told that you can use the knowledge sourcing agent whenever you want or need. Okay, now we have done all steps. Create proposal. And it creates, and it says that it has created it somewhere, but because we don't have topic or tool to create the actual proposal, so that's the next phase. I will create either child agent or tool which creates the PDF file and puts all the data there. Yeah, I was doing this some time, but it seems to work. But of course I haven't tested yet how accurate is the data, and I have to put, like, you know, have real RFPs and real proposals which we have implemented and have some kind of database, and then execute these tests with the same data many times and see that does it really come into the same conclusions and estimates. But at least in the basic level it looks quite nice. So we have proposal estimates and stuff. So thank you. Let's continue the next phase.